This is absolutely not what I was expecting in Pondicherry. It is so busy and so lively. There's so many people and just hundreds of different barbecue carts all along the street. You can have anything from fish to chicken to biryani, curries, ice cream, fried chicken, pancakes, everything, and absolutely incredibly cheap as well. This is probably, well, feels a bit like Notting Hill Carnival in India. It's really, really different to anything I've seen in India before. And there's one thing I've noticed here also. If you're looking at the people and the environment, place over there called the Spirit Bar, there's an off-license. If you're looking at all these people and the environment, there ain't one. I don't see any white faces, or black for that matter. Although the people here are quite dark in their complexion, there are no black people, and there are no white people around either. Probably see a little bit more tomorrow, because this is an ex-French colony. But the French people must have all fled. By the look at this, I think although this is a heavily tourist area, it is mostly Indian tourists, which probably come from other parts of India on holiday here. In fact, my taxi driver told me that a lot of the people from Chennai come here for a holiday. Oh, I just passed a white man. Yeah, there are a lot of people from Chennai come here for weekend breaks and things like that, you know. But this is definitely not what I expected. How busy it is just incredible. Anyway, I'm going to go and fill my belly now with some drinks and some tandoori chicken. See you later.